हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल इलस्ट्रेशन बाय सुष्मिता चौधरी। और आज की इस वीडियो में हम पेंट करने जा रहे हैं लिली फ्लावर्स ऑन ऑर्गेन्जा साड़ी। Here I am taking fabrical acrylic colors in a shade crimson. Take some amount of color in the palette. Now take the same brand medium. Here I am taking 1/4 of a cap, diluting it in the color. Mix it well. Now we will start making our lily flowers. I am making flowers freehand. You can also use a butter paper to trace the flowers first and then fill in the colors. अब हम पेंट करने जा रहे हैं स्टेम एंड लीफ। फॉर दिस हैव चोजन सैप ग्रीन शेड। So this is the final look of my saree after the painting. Take a sequins, white bead and cutdana to embellish the center of flower. It's totally up to you how you want to embellish the flowers. So this is the final look of my saree. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.